The Elephant and the Little Bird. Once upon a time, in a big, green jungle, there lived a giant, strong elephant. He was very proud of his size and strength. Every day, he would walk around the jungle, shaking the ground with his heavy feet, and say, "Look at me! I'm the biggest and strongest animal in the jungle. No one can do what I can." One sunny morning, the elephant passed by a tree where a tiny bird was busy building her nest. The elephant laughed and said,
"Ha! Look at you, little bird. You're so small. You can't lift heavy things or shake trees like I do. What can you possibly do?"
"Yes, elephant brother, you are big and strong. But being small doesn't mean I'm not useful. I have my own special abilities."
The elephant chuckled. "Oh really? And what can a little bird like you do?" The bird flapped her wings and said, "I can fly high in the sky, sing sweet songs, collect food for my babies, and bring joy to others with my chirping." Just then, a naughty fly landed right on the elephant's head. He tried to swat it away with his trunk, but the fly was too quick. The bird saw this and quickly flew over. Buzz! Shoo! She chased the fly away in no time. The elephant was surprised. "Wow! I couldn't even do that. You're amazing." The little bird smiled and said, "See, elephant brother, everyone is special in their own way. Some are big, some are small, but each one is important." The elephant nodded with a kind smile and said, "You're right, little bird. From now on, I will never think anyone is less than me." And from that day on, the elephant and the little bird became the best of friends. Moral of the story: everyone is unique and special in their own way. It doesn't matter if someone is big or small, different in color, or has a disability. What truly matters is kindness, courage, and the good we bring to the world.